Alright guys, welcome to another Life in Japan. So it's nighttime, it's about 7:40 p.m, maybe 8 p.m. So let's take a walk down the city streets on the way to the bar. We might find something interesting. Alright, let's go. By the way, all that bloody noise in the background, that is stupid politicians in their vans promoting themselves. Let's see if we can find them. 皆様のおか、今回は日本維新の会と皆様のその真心で日清とお書きください。そして日本維新の会公認候補西田力でございます。皆様どうか確かなご判断で最後までのご支援西田に賜りますようよろしくお願い申し上げます。 Well, it looks like we found a noisy bastard. There's loads of them around Japan this time of year. Over there in the distance you can see Kokura Castle. Featured that on the show many a time. Yeah, telephone zooming sucks. Alright, back down to normal. Yep, there's another one. That's a different politician. So over here, you can see the noisy bastards, and there's that Yamamoto guy, the one with the red banner. I think he was the one that just went past us in the truck. Yeah. So these are the local politicians for this area, out campaigning, because it's voting day tomorrow. Alright, what's this place we've found? Let's take a look. Looks pretty cool down here, lots of little bars. So this place here, this is actually a Japanese cinema that shows Japanese local movies. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty dark. You see there's a door number 1, so you can make it brighter. There we go, get the contrast up a little bit. There's the sign up there. Oops, lost the contrast again, here we go, let's get that up. Yeah, classic Japanese cinema. Looks like it's closed now though. Alright, let's see what else we can find. This place down here looks pretty cool. Looks like some really old market. Let's go and check it out. It's like an old butcher's. Even with the little delivery bike there. Wow.
I didn't know this place existed. It's pretty creepy at night time. You can see all the stores are just left outside, covered up against weather and so on. That's pretty awesome. So it seems to be that this place is mostly for like fresh goods, like a wet market type thing. Fish, meat, maybe some veggies as well. Let's see if there's any stores still open. I don't know, guys, what you think? Do you think he was a bit drunk? I don't know, maybe. But this is pretty interesting. That's actually an old bus stop sign. I'm pretty sure a bus wouldn't stop here. Shop there that sells Japanese sweets by the looks of it. But all people coming down, they freak them out, talking to the camera. There you go, one more shop left open up here. Sake shop. There you go. Do you want a leaflet for something? Ooh, coupons. Basically just a leaflet advertising like local bars and so on. So that was pretty interesting, wasn't it, taking a look down that market. So I'm standing here on a bridge in the middle of a very dirty looking place. Oops, better not drop the phone. But we're opposite the monorail station, so let's see if we can get a monorail coming out of it. Look at that, just as I was about to go away, two trains came at once. Alright, let's head on over to the bar. So this thing you can see behind me is actually a local map of the area, and it tells you what shops are, you know, in which location. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so here you go. These are all the shop names here. Things like that. And we even got a female toilet here. And yeah, it's pretty handy, you know, if you're new to the area and you don't know, you know, where what shop is and whatever. And here we got some like special offers and various bargains to be had. Pretty cool. And as you can see, this was updated today, October 29th. That is actually today's date. And there's the monorail, which we just saw. Oh, there's one written in English there. Bar Paku Paku. Oh, sorry, Puka Puka. We got to go over here. Alright, don't need to press the button, someone's already pressed it. So there's one of the monorail stations, and this building here is actually a government building. And it's pretty tall, although you can't really see it because it's so dark. But we can actually go in here. And it's open to the public, and basically you can just sit in and wait and chill. So that's pretty cool. Not much to see in here though, but let's take a look anyway. So you can see there's a list of different companies that are actually residents in this building. And you can also rent out rooms and so on for events. But yeah, taking a look in the foyer, and there's not a lot here, is there? Sometimes when I'm waiting for the bar to open, I'll come here and just have a little sit, eat a sandwich or something. Let's see what we got in the machines. Nothing too interesting.
Hey,
Mark. What's up?
Not much. First one. First one.
Last one?
First one.
First one, right.
Yeah.
First one.
You may think that those guys are gay, but they're not. It's about 12 p.m. Let's get this bloody mask off. Better keep hold of it actually, because I might need it. So it's about 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. I should say, and we have just come out of the bar and we're on the way home. So I hope you enjoyed this little life in Japan video of a nighttime antics in Japan. Hope you saw some interesting stuff that you like, and that the video quality was not too shaky, since we are filming this on the phone without any gimbal or anything like that. Oh look, you see me nice and bright now. Alright. Okay, until next time guys, take it easy and keep on gaming. See ya. Bye bye. So I'm actually on the way home at the moment. This is my normal little trip home, and as you can see, we actually have to walk past graves on the main road. Now it is pitch black here, so I'm using the night mode on the camera. Hopefully it's coming through okay. But we do actually have graves here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me just switch on the light. Okay, so there we go, we got the light on now. And yeah. Walking past graves. Very late. Early hours in the morning. Respects to the people that are laid to rest here. But that's Japan. We got graves right next to a road. In the background we got apartments over there. Alright. As I walk past every day, this is an abandoned house. And like I said, it's pitch black, so you probably can't see anything. But let's see if we can get a look at the entrance. Yeah, you can't see anything, can you? But this is an abandoned house. It's been abandoned for many years.